Hey everyone, if your smart TV turns on but the screen stays black, um, yeah, that can be pretty worrying, but don't panic. Most of the time it's something simple you can fix at home. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest solutions step by step. Let's get into it. First, make sure your TV is actually powered on and set to the correct input. Sometimes the screen looks black simply because the wrong input source is selected. Press the input or source button on your remote and cycle through the available options. Next, do a full power reset. Yeah, this fixes a lot of black screen problems caused by temporary glitches. Turn the TV off, unplug it from the wall, and wait about 1 minute. Then plug it back in and power it on. All right, if you're using a cable box, streaming stick, or game console, check the HDMI connections. A loose cable can easily cause a black screen. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI cable firmly, or try a different HDMI port. Now, try opening the TV menu using your remote. This helps you figure out if the problem is the screen or just the input signal. If the menu appears, your TV screen is fine, and the issue is likely with the connected device or cable. If you can access settings, check for a software update. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause display issues. Install any available update and restart the TV once it completes. Okay, quick check. Sometimes the screen isn't fully black, it's just extremely dim. I mean, yeah, this happens. Go to picture settings and increase the brightness or backlight level to test. And finally, if nothing worked, you can try a factory reset. This restores the TV to default settings and can fix deeper software issues. Just keep in mind, this will remove your apps and saved settings. And that's pretty much it. One of these fixes should resolve the black screen on your smart TV. If this helped, feel free to like the video.